Imagine a world where artificial intelligence isn't just a part of our daily lives but has become the workforce. A world where machines and software not only assist humans but replace them in their jobs. How does that future look? Is it a dystopian landscape with mass unemployment, or an era of unprecedented productivity and innovation? Let's delve into the recent developments in the field of AI and job replacement. In June 2023, Airbnb CEO Brian Chesky made a surprising claim. He believes that rather than replacing jobs, AI will pave the way for the creation of millions of new startups. By making existing jobs more efficient, AI could potentially increase productivity by up to 30% without the need for additional staff. While this might mean fewer job openings in traditional sectors, Chesky foresees a robust job market where individuals can build their own companies. But not everyone shares this optimistic view. Business leaders like Warren Buffett and various AI pioneers express skepticism and concerns about the risks of unregulated AI expansion, calling for global regulation. Fast forward to September, and we see Las Vegas becoming the latest battleground between workers and AI. From robot bartenders to AI security guards, up to 65% of jobs in southern Nevada could be automated by 2035. The Culinary Union, representing service and hospitality workers, is pushing back, planning to negotiate protections against AI in their upcoming contract and considering the possibility of striking. But it's not all doom and gloom. As reported in February of this year, the rise of AI and automation technology may not lead to the massive job losses some fear. While robots and chatbots are being used in various industries, they often rely on human workers behind the scenes. Whether it's fast food restaurants like McDonald's and Taco Bell, customer service chat-based bots, or the development of self-driving vehicles, there's still a need for human workers. Granted, these jobs may be outsourced to countries with cheaper labor, but it underscores the fact that while automation technology is changing the nature of work, it still requires human workers to function effectively. So, what does all this mean for the future of jobs in the age of AI? The key takeaways are that AI can lead to efficiency and productivity gains, potentially giving rise to new startups and changing the landscape of traditional job markets. However, there are valid concerns about job losses, particularly in sectors more susceptible to automation. The need for human workers in AI-driven industries remains strong, although the nature of this work may change and evolve. Regulation is also a hot topic as business leaders and AI pioneers alike call for measures to ensure AI's impact on the job market is positive and controlled. In the end, the future of jobs in the age of AI is not set in stone. It's a dynamic, evolving landscape that will continue to change as technology advances and adapts. It's a future that's not without challenges, but also one filled with opportunities for those ready to embrace change and innovation.